In this video, I'll show you 3 simple yet effective hacks used by Eden Hazard to shield the ball and stay in control under pressure. By the end of this tutorial, you should be able to perform leg across shielding, diagonal run shielding, and use your back to shield and spin around the opponent. To start with, let's break down leg across shielding. When dribbling with the ball and chased by an opponent, Hazard will intentionally step across the opponent's running path. The intention is to either trip the defender or gain a free kick. Using a low center of gravity and balance, initiate the contact while shielding the ball to draw a foul or trip the opponent. This was Hazard's signature dribbling hack to block defenders, draw fouls, and stay in control under pressure. Second, let's break down the diagonal run shielding. In this move, instead of racing a faster opponent head-on, Hazard is cutting across the opponent's running path, winning the challenge without needing direct physical contact. This smart move forces the opponent to either slow down and to back off, or to draw a foul if they can't stop in time. Here, while regaining speed after a challenge, Hazard is being caught from behind by Willian. Instead of continuing the run forward and risking getting challenged, Hazard cuts diagonally across Willian's running path, leaving him behind. Hazard was brilliant at using this to maintain control under pressure, as well as dribble smoothly through opponents. Third, let's break down the back shield and spin hack. In this move, Hazard scans before receiving the ball, then turns his back towards the opponent to shield the ball, and spins into space. Hazard often used this to hold off defenders, keep possession, and then explode away with a quick turn or dribble. This move is perfect for receiving under pressure, maintaining possession, and creating attacking opportunities. A useful tip in executing this hack is using the opponent's momentum. When he commits to one side, use a quick turn in the opposite direction. At the same time, turning your back to the opponent makes it nearly impossible for them to reach the ball, allowing you to remain in control. To wrap things up, each of these 3 shielding techniques are powerful on their own. But when you combine them, they become even more effective, giving you complete control under pressure. Mastering all 3 will make you much harder to dispossess and give you the edge in tight situations. Keep practicing, and you'll own the ball like Hazard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more content.